Across Virginia, the number of manufacturing jobs has held steady at about 240,000 since 2010, according to the Virginia Employment Commission. For much of that time, the number of positions in Henrico tracked around 6,000. But more recently, there have been encouraging signs of growth. For example, Polycon Manufacturing's $60 million plant for pharmaceutical and cosmetic products. To attract and retain companies and the skilled employees they need, Henrico continually reinvests in the public school system and strives to provide a high quality of life for residents.
In the past, manufacturing was considered a blue-collar job. It's moving away from that because of technological advances. Kosmo Machine was started in 1976. It's a privately owned company. We currently employ 57 employees. We moved to Henrico County approximately 4 years ago for numerous advantages as far as business and locality. The Kosmo Machine is a precision machine component manufacturer servicing numerous industries including defense, aerospace, chemical and textile, and electric power generating. The products we manufacture touch everyday lives. Our core values are to carve out niches where our competitors leave gaps. Advances in modern manufacturing techniques have led to incorporation of computer numeric controlled equipment, advances in mechanical systems, as well as the intellect of individuals who perform these tasks on a day-to-day basis.
We do complex pieces with a fast turnaround. The skill level to operate these machines has changed from the past. Whereas in the past they were operating manual equipment, it was real hands-on activity. Nowadays, everything is operated inside of the control, inside of the machine. It's closed doors. There's a lot more programming involved, a lot more mathematical skills involved, computer skills obviously. People who like to design things in their head or can see something being followed through in their mind and know how it goes together. Those are the type of people who will fall into this category much better. It's very interesting seeing it from start to end and how it's starting from a raw piece of stock and be completed at the end. And it's very satisfying to see it and to know that we at Kosmo made that.
One of the reasons that we lowered our machinery and tool tax was to sort of anticipate, because as manufacturers replace labor with automation, the cost of the equipment that's being installed in these manufacturing facilities is really, really significant. And so part of the idea here is that they're looking for the lowest cost place to do business, and obviously by us lowering our machinery and tool tax by 70%, we're now a very competitive location for manufacturers.
It's been said that in business, the only constant is change. Corporate ventures, as well as technologies and products, come and go. Despite the inevitable changes, Henrico stands firm in its support for manufacturers and other businesses.
By having a thriving business sector, we're able to have the tax base to be able to give the citizens the services they need and deserve. And so that's what we're about. And because we've got quality industrial sites in place, places like White Oak Tech Park are ideal for manufacturers. It's a site where we've got good power rates and good power infrastructure. We've got water and sewer, we've got gas, we've got fiber. So we've got the necessary components to be able for manufacturers to move in literally overnight and to be able to build a facility or move into an existing building and be successful. So I think that you're going to see Henrico continuing to attract manufacturing in the years to come as it comes back on shore.